change the blade on my skill saw here. I figured I'd show you how you can change the blade on these. This one has a 13mm nut. If you don't have the original wrench that came with your skill saw, you can use a socket set to change the blade. And what you'll do is you'll position the blade up against something that's going to keep it from turning. So this I'm just going to press against this paint bucket here. And then I can free up the nut. And the nut has a little, you'll see this washer here is behind it. It's very important. As well as paying attention for the rotation. Here's the special washer spacer that goes on there. And now we'll be able to change the blade. And you can see the direction of the blade, how it's this way. The saw actually spins this way and cuts this way. It's a little bit backwards than what you would think. But anyway, I'm just going to push the guard up so I can clear the blade. And then here's our new blade. Again, you can see the rotation is actually this way. Kind of contrary to the way that you might think it is. Here's the little washer, goes on this plate here, like so. And then we just snug this down. And then tighten it up. Change the direction on my ratchet for tightening. And again, just position the blade up against something so that it doesn't turn on you. And then you can tighten it down. Not super tight, but just tight enough. Now we're ready for action. Ready to cut some concrete. So what else can I show you? On these, you can adjust the tilt of the blade just by loosening this, and that allows the angle to position the angle of the blade. So if we're doing a side cut, as well as you can adjust the depth of the plate here by loosening this one. And then you can change the depth of your cut. I'm going to be cutting through some concrete, so I'm going to need it as deep as I can get it here. But anyway, that's the deal that allows you to loosen the plate and adjust the plate. And that's how to change the blade on a circular saw. Ready for business.